Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove powered by Shopify, right? As you can see here, my store powered by Shopify. So how I can just remove this from my store? Well, this is really easy. You have to go to the dashboard of your Shopify. In the left side, you have to go and click on your online store. You should be in the theme section, so make sure you are here. Now you have to go to the current theme here. As you can see, this is my theme, and beside customize you will see the three dots here. Click on it, and once you click on it, you will get this option of edit default theme content. Click on it, and once you are here, it will just load for a few seconds. Now here you have to find powered by Shopify, so it's really easy. So we have to go with the keyword. So here power by, and as you can see here, right, powered by brand name, powered by Shopify. And so let me just change it. For example, you can change, so it's really important, you can change it from here. For example, I can just write here mad clothing or whatever. You can just add your store name. Or for example, you want to completely remove it, right? So you don't want anything. So what you have to do, you have to click on it and make sure you put a space, or you can just add a dot, right? So it's up to you. And here no need to do here anything, and you can also completely remove this. And once you have done that, just click on save. Now let me show you what will happen. Let me go to my store, refresh this, and as you can see here, my store, it will get dot, right? So because we have added a dot here. Now what we'll do, we'll just add your space and just click on save, and we can just refresh this once again. Our page, as you can see here, my store is powered by Shopify has been completely gone. So this is how you can remove it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.